Shira Logan, fuck the police.
Ayun mo, sila Tupik. Huliin mo. Ikaw.
This is a chill zone. Shut the fuck up. I will use my taser too. I have taser too. Wala. Wala, di ka marunong. You don't know how to tase. You don't know how to use it. You are weak. Wow. What the fuck?
Hands up, this is terrorist.
Uncle Maya, ikaw rin, Uncle. May body cam ka?
Ba't dinala po pa kami dito? Motherfucking police. Fuck police. T-Shadow, suck my dick. Bimbang.
I do nothing, officer.
I'm by the wall, bro. Stay right there.
Taser mo ko, taser mo ko, taser mo ko.
Help,
Shira.
help.
Bimbang. Pwede ka
Ako.
makalabas dyan. Labas ka. Labas ka.
Sierra. Logan. Ako.
Paano makalabas dito?
Ako. Taser na. Taser na.
Hindi nila ako mahuli. Tisirin mo ko.
Bobo mag-taser yung police.
Ay! Ano ba yan?
Dito ba ta?
Tisirin mo ko. Tisirin mo
Hindi
ko.
marunong.
Ito na, ito na.
Taser mo.
Ito na.
Taser mo na.
Ito na.
Logan. Yan, nankap mo. Bro,
May shabu sa bag ko may shabu
You need help searching these guys? Right.
No, she got us.
I'm not talking to you.
Fuck you. You wanna suck my dick? Alright. Add your mama. Yo, T-Shadow.
I just gave him a 2.6.
I'll give your mama 2.6.
Bro, shut the fuck up.
Fuck you. Shut your bitch ass up. Give me all of violation. I'm gonna use jail card, motherfuckers. Give me all violation, all
Sorry.
violation in one state. I'll just use jail card, then it's okay.
Straight pasok muna ako. May
Yeah,
violation
I
pa
got
ako dito.
screen record. I got screen record. He just tased me without macros. I'm screen recording right now.
No, I forgot. I forgot I had my
Nah,
taser
nah,
out.
nah, nah. I will report you to the admin. Admin. This Joel using taser without macro. Takot siya eh. Uy, may nahuli sa call, oh. Sana
I
all.
I apologize. I forgot I had my taser out.
Now you apologizing, huh? Come on, sir. Come on, T. Come on, T. Search my dick. Bilisan mo, may bibili na akong sasakyan. Paldo yan. Pato sa kaso yan, ah.
I gave Lap Tico 2.6. You just need to give Assassin.
Nickel, 30. Where can you put 1.7 and 1.9?
I just arrested this guy right now.
Sir, hello sir.
What do you need?
1.7 and 1.9 sir.
Okay, copy.
Give me all the violation. Violation. Dali. Di pa, matagal pa ba? Bigyan ko kayo ng pera, pakawalan niyo ako.
Jail mo na kami, jail mo na kami. Jail mo na. Si Uncle naman next, uy. Kinain mo na yung mga violation. Kami na, si Uncle naman. Uy, jail mo na kami. Jail mo na. Jail mo na. Oh, no. Nigel Hudson.
Ayan, kulong muna ako. May bibili na akong sasakyan. Sinara mo yung pinto, oh.
Juan, wait lang. Si Uncle pa. Si Uncle.
Bigyan mo ko 1 minute. Ay, ina. Batuan ako yung akin.
Carjel.
Ba't? Ina, daig mo pa yung admin, ah.